First of all, we need two modules. First is import time. The other one is import random. Yeah, because we want the time and the end random, right? First, we give the two number. Number one equal random dot rand int. Yeah, from 0 to 9. Yeah, the other one is n2. Also, we will make we will check which one is larger. We want the larger one, right? So if the n1 is smaller than n2, then we swap. I make the questions this way, just want you to familiar with the swap, how to write swap. N2, N1, yeah. Okay, so this is start time, yeah. And we will record it because we want the user know the number first. So then we calculate how many times we use. So it's a fair, right? Fair. So we use the time function. It will record how many times, how many seconds, what is the time, real time in computer. So actually here we will want the user to know how many questions, right? So start time. Then we need to access the users. So we will have a question equals 0, right? So while the question smaller than 5. Yeah, we from 0 to 4, right? Smaller than 5. So please focus on the typing. So the best way, if you're worried you're typing error, just copy and paste. And this is column. While the question smaller than 5, or we can start from 1, okay? Question 1 to question 5, but I think 0 is better. After we will ask 5 questions, and we will access the user. What is your answer? So we use the EVL and input and hint the user, right? So same things. What is plus string n1 plus the subtraction mark and plus string n2, right? And plus equation mark. Yeah, beautiful, right? What is number 1 subtract number 2 equal, and we will get the answer, right? So this is the answer. So do you think the time to start here is more fair, right? Time start here is more fair. Or time start when the user see the questions is more fair, right? Yeah, it's fair. Because we want to know how many times the users. Okay, if the answer equal the n1, really n1 subtract n2, then we will print you're correct. You are correct. Otherwise, just else. Yeah, and you are wrong. And we use the backslash with n, means you will change the line, right? You will change the line. And the answer, the correct answer is what? Is n1, subtract n2. We have to tell the user, right? And when we finish this part, then we will have new questions. So actually, this part will totally be repeat, right? Because we do not want the user reply or answer the same questions. We want it to change all the time. So every time it should be change all the time. So like this, yeah, tap, yeah. Then because those things will be repeat, okay? And we will have a correct for count how many questions you are correct. The user is correct. So when, oh, sorry. Yeah, so when the user's answer is correct, then in this time we will make the correct +1. Yeah, because correct is not a control variable, it's not question, so it can be that way. No argument operator, right? Okay, else. So, and finally, when it's stopped, oh, so the start time can be here because start time have to be in the initial stage situation. Yeah, so we correct the algorithm. And when it is finished, we will have the end time. End time. Yeah, so we also need the time function to report what is the time. So we can calculate the total time. Total time, it is the end time and time. Subtract the start time. Yeah, because this number should be larger. Yeah, it's because it's the end time. So we want it as a integer. No, we want it as just format. Format is better, right? We want it calculate just like .2 float. Yeah, how many seconds? And finally, we will print. Your answer is how many? Your correct answer, your answer rate, yeah, is correct. /5, right? Yeah, /5. Want to make together? Yeah, and the total time you spend is total t seconds. Yeah, let's go. We'll try to see, is there anything error? Yeah, and I will, sometimes I'll make the wrong answer, okay? Oh, it's correct, 2. Oh, and make a wrong answer now. You're wrong. What is that? Maybe. Yeah. Oh, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Whoa. Whoa. 2. Whoa. It's a limit. Oh, do you see the problem? The problem is an infinite question, so we have to press Ctrl+C. Yeah, what's wrong? Because the questions is always smaller than 5. So no matter the result is correct or not, when you ask the questions have to be, oh, when you finish the questions, yeah, I want it when you finished. Where is it finished? When you align all the things, it means finished. It also belongs to while loop, but here is the finished part. We make the questions equal the question +1. Then you will have a chance to end. One more time. Yeah, correct, and wrong, and wrong. That yeah. So when we wrong, the answer will tell us wrong, right? And the correct answer is, it will tell us what is correct answer. So your answer rate is 3 out of 5, right? So the total time you spend is 6.40 seconds. Yeah, it's very precisely, right? So we will do it again. I feel this game is interesting. Yeah, right? Yeah, 0, 2. So yeah, this time I just spent 5.52 seconds. So my answer rate is 100, right? So now it's your time to do the practice.